Winter makes hair rough and dull, and it needs special care for this season. And caring for your hair can be as simple as using hair mask. It helps to strengthen your hair, reduce the dullness, and controls hair fall. And using natural, easy-to-find ingredients can easily be used for your hair care, which is more harmless and safer for your hair. So we came up with the 5 DIY hair masks for winter that will provide you strong and smooth hair in this weather condition. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
The Egg Yolk Hair Mask. Are you tired of dry, itchy scalp during winter? The Egg Yolk Hair Mask will save you from all the dryness and also add shine to your hair. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this easy hair mask, you'll need 2 egg yolks, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Procedure and application. At first, whisk or beat the egg yolks to make it frothy, then add your honey and olive oil and mix it into a fine paste. Apply the paste into your scalp and massage it well. Then, apply the rest into your hair and let it sit for around an hour. Finally, wash it off with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. You can apply this hair mask twice a week. Let's check the benefits of the ingredients. The egg yolk is known as a superfood for your hair. It will help to replenish moisture and make strands look sleek and shiny. The honey acts as a good moisturizer for your hair and scalp. It adds shine to dull hair and reduces frizz. And the olive oil, it reduces scalp irritation and keeps your hair and scalp well nourished. The Banana Hair Mask. As soon as winter comes, hair fall is one of the major issues that most of us suffer with. And the banana hair mask comes to your hair rescue so that you're not shedding all of your hair every day. So let's check out the required ingredients for the banana hair mask. To prepare this easy hair mask, you'll only need 1 ripe banana, a half cup of yogurt, 4 to 5 drops of Cedarwood Essential Oil, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Procedure and application. At first, blend the banana into a smooth paste. Add the rest of the ingredients and make a thick paste, and then it's ready to apply. Apply the paste into your hair and scalp generously. Leave it for an hour and wash it off with your favorite shampoo. You can apply this mask twice a week to reduce your hair fall. Now let's go through the benefits of this hair mask. Banana is rich in potassium, vitamins, and natural oils. It moisturizes your hair and promotes hair elasticity. It also protects hair against split ends and hair breakage while making your hair stronger and thicker. The yogurt helps to promote strong and healthy hair. It cleans your scalp and clears away the dead skin cells. The Cedarwood Essential Oil comes with amazing benefits. It helps to promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. And the coconut oil stimulates hair growth, getting deep into the follicles and moisturizes your dry hair. The Yogurt Hair Mask. Are you suffering from dandruff during winter? The yogurt hair mask will be the right choice for you. Let's check out the required ingredients. To prepare this yogurt hair mask, you will need 1 cup of yogurt, 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Procedure and application. Just mix all the ingredients well to prepare this hair mask, and then it's ready to apply. Apply the mixture into your hair and leave it for 30 minutes. Rinse it off with your favorite shampoo. You can apply this mask twice a week. Let's go through the benefits of these ingredients. Yogurt contains high level of lactic acids and has antifungal properties that help to fight dandruff. It also treats dull and damaged hair. The egg helps to add shine to your hair and improves the texture. The apple cider vinegar has properties that balance your scalp and hair pH levels. It fights against scalp infections, dryness, itchiness, and dandruff. And the lemon juice helps to create hair shine, reduce oil, and dandruff. Oil mask. Winter makes your hair dull, and using regular heat tools on hair will make hair dull and dry, especially the ends. So, this oil mask is the perfect choice for you. Let's go through the required ingredients. To prepare this easy oil mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 4 drops of lavender essential oil. Procedure and application. To prepare this easy hair mask, just mix all the ingredients together. Apply to hair from top to bottom and cover with the shower cap. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes and rinse off with your favorite shampoo. Let's check out the benefits of the ingredients. The coconut oil helps to keep your hair moist and soft and prevents hair breakage because of its high moisture retaining capabilities. The olive oil is high in antioxidant that helps to maintain scalp and hair health. It prevents the hair from cell damage, nourishes and conditions the hair at the same time. Honey works as a moisturizer to your hair. It helps to smooth the hair follicles and add shine to dull hair. And the lemon essential oil helps to remove greasiness on your scalp and hair by soaking up excess oil from the hair follicles and strands. The aloe hair mask. If you have frizzy hair, the aloe hair mask is the one for you. Let's go through the required ingredients first. To prepare this easy hair mask, you'll need 1/4 a cup of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and 5 drops of jasmine essential oil. Procedure and application. To prepare this hair mask, just mix all the ingredients and it's ready to apply. Apply the hair mask into your scalp and hair. Massage it for 5 minutes, leave it for 45 minutes, and wash it off with your favorite shampoo. Benefits of the ingredients. Aloe vera contains vitamins that helps to promote healthy hair growth. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. The olive oil helps to moisturize hair and reduce scalp irritation, while reducing dandruff. The vitamin E oil helps to support a healthy scalp and improve hair growth, and the jasmine essential oil contains moisturizing properties that help to stop and prevent hair breakage. So those were our top 5 DIY hair masks. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.